Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy and delicious bread out of oats and whole wheat. To keep watching till the end of the video, because I'm also going to show you how to make a wonderful snack out of the same bread. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, share my recipe, like and comment. I'm going to start by using my rice cooker cup as my measurement. So this particular cup is about 3/4 of a cup. So I'm going to add So I've added 2 cups of oats. In my mixing bowl I have 2 cups of oats now. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt. Next I'm going to add a little bit of honey, just around 1.5 tablespoons. Next I'm going to add hot water. So I've added enough of water that's going to soak all the oats. So as you can see, the water just reaches the level of the oats. Mix it all well. Make sure that your water is really hot. So what I've done is I've taken this water from a recently boiled kettle and used it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for another 30 minutes until this batter of oats becomes slightly cold and comes to room temperature, and also the oats will plump up. So let's wait for 30 minutes and get back. You can see now this is turned into a nice porridge, thick porridge. To this now I'm going to start by using 250 grams of whole wheat flour. I'm using whole wheat flour. If you want, you can use white flour, you can use bread flour, whichever you like. But I would like to make this healthier by using whole wheat flour. So I'm using around 250 grams of whole wheat flour to start with. Okay. Next I'm going to add instant dry yeast. I'm using around 10 grams. Now let's mix this. Next I'm going to add some oil. So I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay. Okay, now let's add this flour and start kneading it. As you can see, it's a very wet dough, sticky dough. And now we're going to change this into a nice, workable, soft dough. Alright. So I've added some flour to the table counter. you need, add some more flour if it's very sticky. Okay. So gradually add little by little flour so that it forms into a nice soft dough. Alright, I'll get back to you once it's done. So we've gone ahead and made this into a very soft dough. As you can see, it's so soft that it's slightly, not manageable, but of course you can still go ahead and use it because we want our bread to be nice and soft, so we will not make this into a stiff dough. I'm now going to take a square tin and grease it with oil. Grease it nicely with oil. And I'm going to use 3/4 of this inside my square tin. Okay. See how gooey the dough is still. This will make you a nice soft bread. Okay, and then I'm going to simply press this inside my tin. So I'm going to be making 2 loaves, one in the shape of a square, the other in my bread tin. So both my tins are now ready. All I'm going to do now is cover them with a cling film and let them rise. The reason why I'm using a cake tin to make my bread is because I'm going to show you a special recipe after the end of this particular one. Now I've kept the 2 tins in a warm place in my kitchen. I'm going to let this rise for about 2 hours. So see you guys after 2 hours. As you can see now, it has risen. At this stage, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some water. And I'm going to lightly dust it with oats. I'm going to let them continue rising inside the oven. Okay, my oven is now turned off at the moment. So let them rise inside the oven for about half an hour and then I will turn on my oven. So it's been now 30 minutes. I've turned on the oven. I've put it on 180 degrees and we're going to bake this for 45 minutes. That's 180, 45 minutes. So here you go. My oat breads are now ready to eat. Let's try it now. After I took it out from the oven, I let it cool for about 20 minutes before I cut them. Take a look at the bread. How soft and delicious. The bread seems a little dense. It's because of the oats. We've used oats and whole wheat. That's why. But it's so soft and delicious. Yum. Crunchy from out and soft from inside. Just like the bread that you get from a store. And because this bread is made of oats, you will find the bread a little bit heavier than the regular white bread, but it's as delicious as the white bread. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share and leave a comment. Also don't forget the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe I will be posting on my channel. I hope you will try this bread at home. Very nutritious and delicious to eat. Look at it. Look how soft. Keep watching for a delicious recipe of how to make lovely toast. I'm going to show you a delicious snack recipe with this bread. Cut your bread into slices like so and put butter on them first. Once you've buttered all the bread, let's go ahead and now make a wonderful topping. Let's first take a chopper. In my chopper I've put 1 capsicum. For the heat I'm going to add 3 green chilies, 1 red onion, some cheese cubes, Italian seasoning. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can add as much as you want. If you like it spicy, you can add more. So here you go, I've chopped it fine. Look, everything is now chopped. I'm now going to put this on top of the bread slices that I've cut and buttered. So I've gone ahead and spread all my toppings in all my slices, bread slices. Okay, now let's go ahead and grill them and bake them. So I'm now going to toast this at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes or until the cheese and all the vegetables are cooked. There you go. My cheese chili toast is ready. Delicious to eat. Serve this with ketchup and you'll be in heaven. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on the recipe and press the bell icon.